Heaven is a place on earth, and it's called Hótel Sigló. You'll find this brilliant hotel in Siglufjörður in North Iceland. At Hótel Sigló, stunning natural beauty meets cozy luxury. It's the perfect place to stay for a romantic weekend or a night on your road trip adventure to add a little luxury to your travel plans. Siglufjörður is perfect for nature lovers as majestic mountains and the serene fjords surround this town. Our favorite part of Hótel Sigló is the spa facilities, where you can unwind in the hot tub while soaking in the breathtaking views. Or relax in the sauna looking out on the same stunning scenery. With a classic and romantic design and extremely service-minded staff, Hótel Sigló perfectly balances coziness and luxury. We stayed in a superior room which was nice and spacious, had a private bathroom and a terrific view of the harbour. Our favourite part of the room was this window seat. We sat here for hours. During our stay, we also enjoyed a drink in the cozy lounge area, which has a fireplace and another great view of the fjord. In fact, the only thing hard to find at Hótel Sigló is probably a lousy view. We also had dinner at the hotel restaurant Sunna, where they serve exquisite dishes made with fresh local ingredients. Hótel Sigló also has a great breakfast buffet. Make sure to have plenty of time to taste the different options and of course soak in the views a little more while you enjoy your food. We highly recommend adding a stay at Hótel Sigló to your travel plans for Iceland. You can book it on guidetoiceland.is.